Yo, what's up everybody? It's Ravitech. Debt can sound way less scary than it actually is. You see an ad for borrow $1,000, pay later. And it seems like free money, right? Wrong. The truth is, debt can cost you way more than you think. It's like that extra guacamole at Chipotle. You think it's no big deal, but it adds up fast. That's why in this video, we're going deep on the true cost of debt. By the end of this, you'll be a debt-savvy ninja, ready to dodge those financial landmines and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Okay, first things first. Why does debt even cost more than you borrow in the first place? Well, when you borrow money, they're not just doing you a favor. They're in the business of making money. And that means charging you interest and fees. Think of it like renting an apartment. You pay rent to live there, right? Well, interest is like rent on your loan. And just like with rent, the longer you borrow, the more you'll end up paying overall. If you only make the minimum payment each month, you could end up paying over $500 extra just in interest. That's like buying a whole new phone that you never even wanted. Interest rates can be tricky little devils, so let's break it down. Basically, the interest rate is the percentage of your loan amount that you're charged each year for the privilege of borrowing. Now, interest rates can vary wildly depending on the type of loan, your credit score, and even the lender themselves. Credit cards usually have the highest interest rates, often between 15 to 30%, because they're considered riskier for the lender. Personal loans tend to fall somewhere between 5 to 25%, while mortgage loans are typically lower, around 3 to 7%. Even a small difference in interest rates can make a huge difference in how much you pay back over time. Alright, we've covered interest rates, but unfortunately that's not the whole story. Lenders are like magicians when it comes to sneaking in extra fees. And trust me, these fees can really add up. One of the most common hidden fees is the dreaded late payment fee. Miss your payment deadline by even a single day and bam! You could be hit with a fee of $25, $50, or even more. Then you've got annual fees, which some credit cards charge just for the privilege of having them in your wallet, even if you don't use them. It's insane! And don't even get me started on origination fees, prepayment penalties, and all the other creative ways lenders try to squeeze extra cash out of you. Now, before you swear off debt forever and become a hermit who lives off the grid, don't worry. There are ways to stay in control and avoid getting eaten alive by interest rates and fees. First and foremost, always check the APR, that stands for annual percentage rate. This magical number includes both the interest rate and most fees, giving you a much clearer picture of the true cost of borrowing. Whenever possible, pay more than the minimum payment on your debts. Even paying a little extra each month can save you a ton of money in the long run. The longer you take to pay off your debt, the more interest you'll accrue. Look, at the end of the day, debt is a tool. The key is to be informed, to understand the true cost of borrowing, and to make smart choices that align with your financial goals. You have the power to take charge of your finances and create a brighter future for yourself. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you've got the knowledge to conquer your debt and achieve financial freedom. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And hey, if you learned something new today, share this video with a friend who could also benefit from it. Let's spread the financial knowledge and help each other build a brighter financial future.